All right, so for my first test, I'm not going to fly with the goggles. Just going to do line of sight. Goggles do have to be on to run this. You unlock the motors. All right, got the motors unlocked. Now to take off. Let's bring it down a bit. So that's kind of cool. The gimbal actually goes up when you point the controller up. The one bad part is there's no backwards, but to go down, you have to aim the controller down. This is definitely going to take some getting used to, but it's pretty cool. Wants to wander a bit on me. So you tilt your arm all the way and it'll sit there and spin in one spot. Same with the other direction. To go up, you push the control up, just like this, and accelerate. And it'll slowly go up. To go down, it's the same thing. Then to turn, it's just a slight movement. And I'm in normal mode, so I'm not going to switch to sport mode until I've had a little practice. So basically, just to go forward, you accelerate. And it's pretty cool to watch this thing turn. It's kind of like a Wii control, honestly. Let's try taking it up again. And at any time, if you're feeling uncomfortable, it's got the emergency brake. You hit it once to stop it. Hit it again to take off. And long press is return to home. And to cancel it, you just push it again. So let's take it out forward. I'm not wearing the goggles, so I'm not going to go too far. There's full throttle. And make a nice turn back. Bring it down a bit. I could see how this could be very intuitive. And we'll bring it back. Now with normal mode, I do have obstacle avoidance, so I'm not super scared of wrecking it. So it's a complete sideways movement to make it spin one way or the other. For just normal turning, it's just a little tilt to the hand and throttle to go forward, depending on which direction you're pointing the drone. So it's kind of fun, but if you forget you have this in your hand, it could be kind of dangerous. Point it down to go down, up to go up, no backwards. All right, let's send it up. I'm not wearing the goggles, so I do like it. I think I'll be a little cautious going in between things, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it with the goggles on. And probably a good idea to hit the emergency brake so you're not just sitting there doing all kinds of crazy controls. All right, so inside the goggles, it actually has a little circle so you know which direction you're pointing it. And we're gonna go ahead and fly up here. I'm at 38% battery. And let's switch to sport mode. Sport mode activated. Whoa. Oh yeah, I could get used to this. Just trying to get used to going down by pointing down. Go right through this creek bed here. See if there's any critters over there. A little windy today. Alright, we'll just go up between these trees. Oh yeah, that's full speed right there. I wouldn't say it's difficult to control. I'd say it's actually kind of easy. But when you're used to control, it could be slightly difficult. So let's switch back to normal. We'll bring it in closer here. %, battery. Turn it around. One thing I wish is it had backwards on it. Test the obstacle avoidance here. Funny, I don't see the drone stopping. Turn it around. Bring it back. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna go ahead and land it. So this is something I've heard people have had difficulty with. You can't necessarily look straight down. Oh, there goes my hat. I'm at 20% battery. Try not to kill myself here. All right. Let's see, it looks like I'm pretty well centered. And I think if you just hit the lock button, it should land. Okay, that I'm not sure of. Let's try holding the lock button. There it goes. All right, so if you just hold the lock button down, it'll land and disarm the motors. Well, pretty cool. I like it. I like it so much, I think I'm gonna do it again. My biggest complaint with this drone is the batteries go way too quick. Finally got some nice weather. I figured I'd go out and go ahead and test fly this thing with the motion controller. It's been really stormy here, and you see there's hardly any snow left. It's finally melting off. So anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Montana Drone. Have a good one.